I think for me, it was just like, okay, this is Isha Gupta and now she's the new entry in Raz 3. Raz was Bipasha's second film, this is my second film, so maybe he'll do the same wonders. I'm supposed to meet someone at 4 o'clock and it's 4:10, so I'll be, I think, hyperventilating and I think I'll die. I've always been an Imran Hashmi fan before I worked with an Imran Hashmi because I was like, oh my God, the music. You listen to any good song, who is it? Imran Hashmi. Waqt se pehle, kismat se pehle kuch nahi milta, and I completely believe it. I'm really excited. I mean, I have to be honest. I mean, I think about it and I start getting butterflies in my stomach because, you know, I was really excited when I got Jannat because Jannat 1 was a huge success and then Jannat 2 came and now people are like Raz and, you know, I was like, you know, I was only listening about Raz when I was doing Jannat. I didn't know whether I'm going to get it, and next thing I know, they're like, I met Vikram and they're like, oh, you're doing Raz. So it was like a shock, which I think I'm still into. I still can't believe what I've done in this film and this film is over. It was like a flash and everything came. I think I was really excited. I still am. You know, I think this film is gonna do, you know, this film has got a lot out of me, which I'm really happy about. And there's a lot to do in this film. And you know, I think it's great that I did this film. I'm really happy about it. I think this was the best decision that I took. Reason being because, you know, for me, I knew that Raz is a very big franchise because it has Bipasha, who was Sanjana in part 1 and now she's back again. And then there was Imran in part 2 and now he's over here. So I think for me, it was just like, okay, this is Isha Gupta and now she's the new entry in Raz 3.
Sanjana, where are you? Sanjana, where are you?
You know, it's just people expect a lot out of you. Like Bipasha and Imran are great actors. They both are superstars. They have that recognizing value that people know who they are. No one knows right now. There are very few amount who knows who I am. So for me, standing at the equal level, matching the shoulders to these two great actors and great stars was very like, oh my God, can I do it or not? You know, I was a little nervous that whether I can do it or not, but I knew that this is the time, either you do it or you die. You know, for me, I always take it as a situation because if I'm getting such an option, I don't think I should have said no. And I luckily, thank God, I didn't, you know, and I'm really grateful to, you know, the producers and my director. But I think I always thought, I was like, you know, for me, I was like, oh my God, Raz was Bipasha's second film, this is my second film, so maybe he'll do the same wonders. Vikram, he's an actor's director. Vikram doesn't give you the script before. Vikram, the only thing he does is he makes you sit with your writer, Shagufta Rafiq. She's a great writer. So he told me, you want a narration? Yes. Okay, I'll call Shagufta. Fixed time, Shagufta and I, we do the narration. Do you have any problems, any inhibitions? We discuss and that's it. And I'm like, when do we start? After 4 days, which is after 2 days of finishing Raz, I met him and on the 7th day I was shooting for Raz again. I mean, of Jannat, sorry, I was shooting Raz again. And he's just like, and I was like, what am I, you know, I need my scene, I don't know what I'm doing. He like, oh, don't worry, there are no dialogues in the first day. I was like, okay, then second day, then third day, then fourth day, oh, okay. Then he sends like dialogues either the same day morning or one day before. So if there's a like long monologue or big scenes. And the great thing about this guy is he is so confident he knows he'll get it. And he actually did. Because I told Vikram since day one, I'm really scared, I'm really apprehensive about a lot of things because I don't know myself as an actor. I still haven't found myself. But I told Vikram, I'm like a clay to you. You want me to be in any form, I'll be. But just get it out of me, which I think, inshallah, I hope the audience feels he did. Sanjana is this, you know, she's this new upcoming actress who's happy, bubbly, grounded. She's, you know, she's taken over the industry and people are loving her. And I think she's a very real person, you know, like you feel her, you feel that, okay, she's someone you can relate to. I think I'm quite like this, except Sanjana in this film, I think, if I'm not wrong, I think she's not as hyper. She gets scared, of course, in the film, but she's not as hyper. I, as a person, I'm very organized and very hyper. So for me, like if I am supposed to meet someone at 4 o'clock and it's 4:10, so I'll be, I think, hyperventilating and I think I'll die. So I think that might be the only difference, but I can quite relate to Sanjana.
Sanjana,
Imran's always, he's a thorough professional. He's a great actor. I used to hate him because, you know how you hate someone because they're so good at their work, and I've told him on his face. every time he'll do a retake, if he fumbles or I've done something wrong or giving me cues, every take there'll be a different angle to it. There'll be a different expression, and I'm awed by him. Like, I'm in awe with Imran when he's on screen, and when he's like in front of camera, he's just, and you know, he's very professional. We only talk about work, but very supportive. I think because he's worked with so many newcomers, he understands that there's still a lot of things we don't know. We miss our mark, forget our lines, not because we didn't rehearse, but because we know that camera is there, you know. And Bipasha, I think, my God, that woman, I mean, I still can't believe that someone being at that level can be so grounded. Like, you meet her and you just don't feel that, you know, it's the same person you see on screen and you feel, oh my God, I wish I can meet her. And now that you meet her, you're just like, oh, you know, you're just this happy girl next to me. And it's really good to be with, or to experience and share time with such a person.
ये जादू टोना काली विद्या सब बंद करनी पड़ेगी तुमको।
इस ऊंचाई पे पहुंचने के बाद अब मुझे कोई नहीं गिरा सकता।
Honestly, rather than, I mean, more than me believing in them, I think they believed in me. I mean, let's be honest, I met Mukesh sir. He was just like, you're going to do my film Jannat. He was the one who told Mahesh sir and Vikram, no, you have to take Isha for Raz as well. I know this girl has it. So I think they believed a lot in me. And they, in fact, you know, because these both are big franchise, so to put something on a young person's or who's new completely on their shoulders, it's because you know what you're doing and because you're confident, and I think that's what they did. No, I don't think I can ever be upset with him. He's my godfather. I don't think I'm gonna be. It has a mix of all of it, but I think it has like more of romantic songs, which has always been my kind of taste, and which I've always been an Imran Hashmi fan before I worked with an Imran Hashmi, because I was like, oh my God, the music. You listen to any good song, who is it? Imran Hashmi. And who is it? Vishesh Films. So it's beautiful songs. They're beautiful, beautiful composed songs. They're very, I mean, lyrics mean a lot. So I think people are going to get a very happy feel songs from this movie. I think audience knows that it's Ras 3, that's why they're connecting with it already. So I don't think there's one, I don't think they're, like, it's a combination of all. People want to see Bipasha, people want to see Imran, and it's, honestly, it's Ras 3. How much better can it get? I don't believe in it. I think waqt se pehle, kismat se pehle kuch nahi milta, and I completely believe in it. Of course, you can't depend on that, but I don't believe in black magic. There are a lot of good offers, but right now there's something we've done, but I can't talk about it. But apart from that, I'm just focusing right now. I've already, you know, finished my third film. I'm on to its dubbing, but I want to take it slow. I want to see what Raz does for me.